Here's a 2013 Honda Accord Coupe. Honda's flagship car isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. It's well equipped with the features you need: active noise cancellation, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, rear camera parking sensor, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. This from Kelley Blue Book. The Accord is synonymous with Honda and has been known for nearly 4 decades as a reliable, comfortable, pragmatic way to move families. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.